Hello friends. 2025 Maruti Suzuki Omni 12-seater, complete review. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Omni 12-seater has been officially revealed, and it marks the comeback of one of India's most iconic vans in a new, modern, and upgraded avatar. Known as the People's Carrier, for decades, the Omni has always been a practical choice for families, small businesses, schools, and transport services. Now, in 2025, Maruti Suzuki has reimagined the Omni to meet modern safety norms, fuel efficiency demands, and advanced comfort needs, while keeping its affordability intact. In this review, we'll cover the design, performance, features, seating comfort, safety, mileage, price, and why the 2025 Omni 12-seater is set to dominate the van market again. Small diamond exterior design, a blend of classic and modern. The 2025 Omni 12-seater retains its boxy van shape, which has always been its identity, but it now comes with fresh styling and updated elements. Front fascia. Redesigned grille with a bolder chrome strip, sharper halogen LED headlights, and a stronger bumper with integrated fog lamps. Side profile. Sliding doors for easy access, wide windows for ventilation, and clean body lines for a functional yet modern look. Rear design. Larger taillights, a bigger tailgate for easier luggage loading, and reflectors for improved night visibility. While the Omni still looks like a practical utility van, the updates make it appear more stylish and road-ready. Small diamond dimensions and capacity. The Omni 2025 has been slightly lengthened and widened to comfortably seat 12 passengers. Length. Approximately 3,850 mm. Width. Approximately 1,550 mm. Height. Approximately 1,880 mm. Wheelbase. Longer wheelbase ensures better stability and more legroom. This makes it perfect for schools, family trips, office shuttles, and rural transportation. Small diamond engine and performance. The 2025 Omni 12-seater comes with a 1.2L petrol engine, tuned for better mileage and reliability. Power output. 72 bhp. Torque. 95 Nm. Transmission. 5-speed manual gearbox. Mileage claimed 17 to 19 km/h petrol. For those looking at eco-friendly options, CNG and electric variants are expected to launch later in 2025. The petrol engine provides enough power for city and highway driving, while still focusing on fuel efficiency. Small diamond ride and handling. Even though the Omni is a large van, it is designed to be easy to maneuver. Light steering for effortless driving in city traffic. Improved suspension system ensures smoother rides even on rough Indian roads. Turning radius. Compact for its size, making parking and U-turns easier. The Omni 2025 doesn't aim to be sporty, but it delivers reliable performance and comfort for passenger transport. Small diamond interior and seating comfort. Inside, the 2025 Omni 12-seater has been fully redesigned to prioritize comfort and practicality. Seating layout. 3-row plus jump seat arrangement to seat 12 passengers comfortably. Seat quality. Cushioned seats with improved padding and headrests for long-distance comfort. Ventilation. Wide windows and optional rear AC vents ensure proper airflow. Dashboard. Minimalistic yet modern dashboard with digital instrument cluster, USB charging ports, and storage spaces. The cabin is designed for maximum space utilization, making it perfect for both family and commercial use. Small diamond features and technology. The Omni was always known for being basic, but the 2025 model adds essential modern features. Infotainment system. 7-inch touchscreen with Bluetooth, USB, and aux connectivity. Air conditioning. Optional AC for rear passengers. Power windows and central locking for convenience. 12 volts charging port for passengers, devices. These features make the Omni more attractive to modern buyers who expect basic technology and comfort in budget vehicles. Small diamond safety. Features. One of the biggest criticisms of the old Omni was its lack of safety. Maruti Suzuki has addressed that in the 2025 Omni 12-seater. Dual front airbags, driver and passenger. ABS with EBD. Stronger crumple zones and side impact protection. Rear parking sensors. Seat belts for all 12 passengers. Fire extinguisher, standard in school van variant. With these updates, the new Omni is much safer for both city and highway use, meeting modern safety norms. Small diamond practical use cases. The Omni 12-seater 2025 is perfect for family travel. Big families can travel together in comfort. School vans. Safe and reliable option for transporting children. Office shuttles. Companies can use it for employee transport. Tourist operators. Ideal for local sightseeing and group travel. Rural connectivity. Affordable option for areas lacking public transport. Small diamond price and variants. Maruti Suzuki has always focused on affordable pricing, and the 2025 Omni 12-seater follows the same tradition. Expected price ex-showroom 6 rupees and 80 paise minus 7 rupees and 80 paise lakh. Variants. Petrol standard. Petrol AC. Petrol plus coming soon. Electric future launch. This competitive pricing ensures the Omni remains India's most accessible 12-seater van. 2025 Maruti Suzuki Omni 12-seater price in India. Maruti Omni 2025 features and mileage. New Maruti Suzuki Omni 12-seater review. Omni 12-seater interior and seating capacity. 2025 Omni van launch date and price. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Omni 12-seater is a perfect revival of one of India's most beloved vehicles. It offers modern safety features, upgraded comfort and seating, practical design with more space, affordable pricing for families and businesses. By blending its heritage identity with modern upgrades, the new Omni 12-seater is set to be a game-changer in the budget passenger vehicle segment. Whether for family travel, school transport, or commercial use, the 2025 Omni is an ideal choice for Indian roads. If you liked this review, don't forget to subscribe to Fast Wheels, hit the like button, and share your thoughts in the comments. Will you choose the 2025 car over its rivals? Thank you.